From raw steel to a complete building, this is how LIBIDA delivers steel structures to the world. Since 2000, we have been one of China's leading steel building manufacturers, completing nearly 280 projects across more than 80 countries. Inside our factory, precision is everything. CNC cutting robots shape steel beams with accuracy to the millimeter, and our production lines deliver more than 30,000 tons of steel structures every year. Our quality is verified by independent audits, CE, ISO, SGS, AISC and ASTM certified. Every building starts with a 3D design. Our engineers model your warehouse, factory, or hangar before a single beam is cut, so what you see is exactly what you get. From a pharmaceutical plant in Algeria to a 6,000 square meter warehouse in Argentina, we deliver tailor-made steel structures around the globe. On site, our steel buildings go up fast. Prefabricated components bolt together quickly, cutting construction time by months compared to traditional building methods. Wall panels, insulation and roofing are installed with care, ready for decades of low-maintenance service. Our customers come from all over the world to check the quality firsthand, from factory tours to loading supervision. We walk with you at every step, from the first quote to the final delivery. Planning a steel warehouse, factory, or hangar? Send us your size and location, and get a free reference price in US dollars per square meter, usually within 24 hours. Email, sales@salibida.com, WhatsApp, +86 139 4029 7531. Visit our website, salibida.com. LIBIDA Steel Structure, built to last.